Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the unboxing and the first impressions of the Behringer U-PHORIA Studio Pro. So today I'll be talking about the new mic that I got myself on my birthday. Some people say I don't celebrate my birthday, but I do. Don't listen to them. Anyway, this is a new type of video, so please let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Also, first things first, I do live stream on Mixer every Wednesday and Saturday, and you guys can check it out. The links are in the description below the like button. And also, huge shout out to Mr. PJ who recommended this product to me. This product which I'm holding right now. I'll try and leave the link to his channel in the description below. You should go check him out. He's an amazing musician. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the details in the unboxing. Right off the bat, the packaging was quite solid. Thomann Music did a really great job with this. Opening this carton, you see the Behringer U-PHORIA Studio Pro. So this is the first look at the unboxing experience. The first thing you see when you unbox it are some paperwork. Now normally one would go through it to know how to set it up, but you know me, I decided to keep it aside. Alright, moving along. The main important things you see are the Behringer C1 condenser microphone, the U-PHORIA UMC202HD USB interface, and the HS5000 monitor headset. They also decided to include the XLR and the USB cable, which is a good thing. Now, the microphone, as you might be able to tell, has a solid weight to it, which means it's not some crappy cheap microphone you get off of Amazon. Now, speaking of cheap things, the headphones, they feel really cheap. For some reason, the ear cups have a thin foam, the whole thing is made of plastic, and it's surely very uncomfortable to wear. Now, the USB interface feels the most premium. It has a full metal body and has quality knobs and toggle buttons. Apart from that, they do have two input channels, both of which can also accommodate a 1/4-inch jack. The main feature that sells this is the inbuilt phantom power supply, which is used to power the condenser microphone. Now all these negatives wouldn't matter if the product performs really good. I mean, that's what it's made for. I also plan on testing this. In fact, I'm recording this video with this mic set, so you guys be the judge. Let me know how this sounds. And stay tuned for the in-depth review. That's it for this video. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.